a fake license? Shh. No, don't shush me. Is this a fake license?
Why didn't you carry your gun into the courthouse?
I did.
No, you weren't. You were meant to lock it up.
No. I carried it into the courthouse until your people changed the rules.
So why didn't you carry it in? Why didn't you go past us?
Because I made an agreement with you guys.
Yeah.
Okay, so I won't do that agreement anymore then.
Okay.
I carry in every courthouse in the state. And you will too when I sue your ass because you know exactly what the fucking law is and it doesn't say T-Cole. It says 926C, 18 USC 1926C.
Right here.
You don't have to debate it. You just gotta violate. You just gotta protect my rights.
Excuse me.
Don't touch him.
Don't touch me.
Hey, don't touch him. Excuse me. Back the fuck up.
Don't tell me to relax when you're assaulting me. You're assaulting me. Don't tell me to relax. Let me fucking go and I'll leave. Let me touching me and I will leave. And I will sue everyone here. Don't tell me to relax when you're touching me. Get the hands off me. I'm not breaking any laws. Am I going to leave what? As soon as you get my stuff out of there, I'll leave. And I want everyone's name and badge number, Chief. Where you at?
I'm right here.
Everyone that's right here, I want everyone's name and badge number. So don't
touch me either.
Your guys are
I don't
putting you in jeopardy, Sheriff.
I don't care, bro. Who's offended? Who's offended? You can't be.
My stuff's in here.
For what?
Want to show me your face again?
Who's offended?
Show me your face again. You like your face on camera, right? Right? No, this guy likes to block people.
I'm not.
Who's
offended? Who's offended?
Still get attitude?
Y'all can't be offended by what I just said. Yeah, man. Y'all
What's your name? We're good.
do that for me. You're violating his rights.